Sundskeittiö Näsinselkä.
Today is the 30th of September 2021. Last year's this year. This is Jänislahdenkatu 7 staircase here in Lentävänniemi, one of the suburbs of Tampere, of course, Finland. And we wanted to film this before, but we had filmed so many other suburbs in the city, so we're filming this now. It was built in 1974 by ValmetSchlieren. It turned 45 years old in 2019. It's going to be inspected in 2023. The number is VS3653 and the capacity is 4 person 320 grams. And this residential has 4 staircases. We'll also go to the staircase D. Alright, floors, and this could have been made a bit faster.
Yeah.
But otherwise amazing, and I love this wood here.
Same.
Yeah. I like the sounds here also.
Same here.
I wonder, all the old ones are the ValmetSchlieren here, or maybe something else too.
Oh, yeah, okay. Also, yeah, of course.
Okay, yeah.
I think in BN6 also.
Oh, wow, okay. I'm curious to see it.
Inspected by Kiva Inspected, maintained by Suomen hissiurakointi.
Sounds right. Alright, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Let's go to the last staircase in this residential building, the staircase D.
That's